All right. I bought a lot of 3 Dewalt cordless power drills. This one I already got into. I popped a battery in them real quick just to see what was going on. This one here, it wouldn't do anything. And so I took it apart and I still haven't cleaned it yet. It's pretty nasty, but the gearbox is good. And the chuck's good, everything works there. What happened on this one is, where's the part? The rear bearing, it's right here. This rear bearing, it froze up and it melted the bearing holder, and that's why it wasn't working. So I've ordered a new armature and a new brush holder too, because this one, the spring fell out of it, and I don't know. It's cheap, like €8 for that. So I don't know what happened to the. Anyway, so when that comes in, I'll get that on video, and we'll get that changed. We'll see if we can fix that. All right, we're back with this DeWalt DCD 780. Sorry, DCD 780. This was the one that has a burnt up armature, and the bearing, the little bearing is fried. It goes on the end over here, and the bearing holder, little plastic race, just melted. And then in addition, the whole brush holder just completely came apart when I took it apart. So I don't know if the rest of this drill works or not, but I did order a genuine DeWalt genuine armature, and it came in yesterday. So I thought, well, let's pop it together and see if it works. And it comes with a new race bearing holder and a new armature. So, all right, let's put this together. I got the new brush holder a while back, so this is ready to go. So this thing's been apart for over a month, so bear with me as I try to figure out how to put it back together again. I'm gonna blow it out real quick. Let me pause this so you don't have to listen to it. All right, we're back. Let's see. Put that in there. And then this has to go on here. And then this has to go on this way, I think. There it goes. Really don't want to tap it with anything too big. There we go. All right. If I did that correctly, it'll drop down and fit right in. Maybe not the right brush holder. It looks correct. There we go. So you gotta rotate around. Like I said, it's been a month for me since I was in this thing last. Okay. be right, or is that correct? I'm still not sure it's correct. Okay, I believe it is. Or not. No, something's still not right. Okay. There we go. All right. But I got to get that little wire, I got to get that clip on there first. Okay, so let's pop this back out. Come on, baby. We'll wire this up first. We'll get that clip on there. And we'll get this clip on as well. Okay. That does not seem right to me. There it goes. There, that's better. Yeah. All right, so just want to show you. There's a notch on this field that little clip right there has to line up with. So, so if you're struggling with this like I did, then you'll know why. All right. I have all the screws in this thing. There's a little spring that came off of that. Are these all the same, or are they? It's Torx. They should all be Torx. They should all be the same. Okay. All right. What I'm going to do is pop that off because it might be easier to get it on there. Okay. Get that clip back on there. You guys can't see this, and I won't have a camera angle for you. Basically what I'm trying to do is get this to jump up on that clip. Maybe it doesn't. I mean, it's working. No, it's not. It's got to be on that clip. All right. Okay, let's try this again. We'll put the clip on, see if I can get it to go the other way. There we go. Okay. Take two. Let's see if it'll rotate through. I don't know if it will or not. Where's my little notch at? Right there. Okay. There it goes. What did I do wrong? Okay. Well, I didn't write either. All right, maybe it just is this front clip. Okay. All right, we're back in all the way there. Maybe we just clip it in. There we go. Yeah, that's working. Okay, that's correct. All right. All right, so we can't forget our change lever here. I want to get that put in correctly. It's right there on the LED. It's rubbing. All right. Okay, there we go. We gotta All right. it's going, it's just tight. Let's see if I have to take it apart again. Oh, look out. Okay. So on these, they got a little notch on the collar here that lets you put the screw in. Last one, we'll test it out. All right. Well, let's see here, what do we got? We got two still in this. I gotta charge this one up. We got backwards, we got forward. We got first gear, we got backward, forward. All right, chuck works. Not bad. That was about a, it was like about 30, I want to say 24 euros. It was 24 euros for this and maybe 5 euros for the brush holder. So I'm 30 euros in. This is on a set of drills that I got for not much. They think they're about 20 euros a piece. It's about 50. I got about 50 euros in this drill, maybe. Not too bad, and it works great. So, nothing wrong with that.